road safety ultimately depends on one person, and that is the person behind the wheel.
During this particular time, high volume of traffic because people are moving to their destiny where they are going to meet their loved ones. We want all road users to be patient, all road users to be observant to the rules of the road so that they can be able to arrive home safe, because that is our most fundamental operation.
So our appeal to all the drivers is to ensure that they take that action of driving on the road extremely seriously, that they do not for 1 second take for granted that they will arrive at their destination safely, but to drive as responsibly and as safely as possible, with the objective that not only themselves and their loved ones arrive at their destination safely, but all those around them as well.